You know this feeling when you do something in Blender and you wish you had a tool that could do it better and quicker? Exactly. The best inventions come out of need, and this is why we created Materialworks. We desperately needed to cure our frustration with Blender's mod system. Let me explain. I hate nodes with passion. Josh does as well. When I see more than 3 of them, I need to lay down until my shaking stops. This is why most of my models were textured with BSDF mods, so I don't have to, deal with them. The issue is that those mods have no textures, and let's face it, they look a bit flat and common. This is where Materialworks comes in. Think about it. No more nodes, one-click pro mods, and you can adjust them with sliders. Quick and easy. In addition, you can export these textures from Blender to game engines and so on. You've seen the trailer, but let me show you how this add-on will speed up your workflow and massively improve the look of your renders at the same time. It's a combination of simplicity of design and powerful options. First of all, it comes with 50 high-end mods created by a professional mod artist in Substance Designer. This is not some randomly generated AI bullshit. It's old school awesomeness with a modern twist. But wait, it gets better. All the mods were handpicked and well thought out to suit a hard surface workflow, including mods like Velcro, frosted glass, and all sorts of unique metals, and mods with opacity masks, which can be made translucent or semi-translucent, like this dark steel net you've seen on the screen. All mods come with 1K and 4K maps, so doesn't matter what machine you're working on, you will be able to use them. You can easily change the map resolution from the add-on menu with one click. And what about seams? Well, check this out. You can just drop a mod on your model and blend the seams with a slider, or switch to UV based projection. This means that whether you work on game asset or just concept renders, the add-on will support your workflow. This is fantastic if you're using a mod with a strong pattern that requires UV projection to be applied correctly. You like emissive mods? No problem. Multi-layered mods support emission. You click a button and magic happens. You crank the slider up and chicks get wet. You know how annoying it is to create perforated mods with holes for vents, etc., right? So guess what? Some mods come with opacity masks which allow you to do this with a slide of a mouse. You can use the opacity slider to isolate emission as well, and it gets even better. You can combine emission, opacity, and colors together. Speaking of colors, changing mod color is as easy as pie. No need to waste time going to the mod tab or nodes, you just slide away into a different hue. There's even a hidden color switch that will make the color pop when you crank the value up to 10. But what about if your normal map is too strong? No problem, you can just adjust the strength, flip it, or even wrap it around your mom. The add-on is super easy to use and very straightforward. We needed it to be as simple as possible, but at the same time speed up our workflow and offer us flexibility of texturing. We wanted a proper add-on, shit that works. This is why Materialworks was coded by none other than Proxy from Team C, who is a lead developer for Hardops and Boxcutter. Enough said. Now here's the best bit. In addition to all that, we offer you a special pre-launch discount of 40% off. That's right, we officially released the add-on on July 21st, but you can get it right now at a fraction of the price. Head off to blenderbros.com/materialworks and get your copy today. The promotion won't last long, and like I said, on 21st of July it will revert to the full price. So pre-order now and get access to all the mods. We have already released the add-on to our Hard Surface Academy 2.0 members, and they absolutely love it. I'm sure you will too. I'll see you then.